Hey guys, so I've lost my voice a little bit. I'm just going to film the eyebrow video that I promised you probably 2 weeks ago. I will only just film the brows, nothing else with the look because I can't talk too much. Okay, so with your brows, what you need to do is just prep the brow. So you need to have a bit of foundation through the brow so the product has something to stick to. So I'm just going to pat the foundation over that area. My friend Katie is behind the camera today. What I'm going to do is just brush my brows up. I have a pretty full brow, a little bit of sparseness, meaning like holes at the front. When you do your brows, you need to make sure that your front of your brow is in line with your nose. See how that goes straight up? So there, the end of your brow is like diagonal from the edge of your, going through the edge of your eye, the outer side of your eye, all the way up on that side. And then the arch, which is like the little peak bit there, needs to go straight through from the edge of your nose through the center of your eyeball.
So the fat of your nose, the bigger eyebrow.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just line it up there. So what you can do is you can sort of give yourself the start of your eyebrow. It looks really weird, but it'll get better. Then go through the center, mark out where your arch is. You might have a natural arch, but that you want to keep going with, but if you don't have an arch, that's the way to get it. And the end is just about there. So mark that out and that'll help you define where your brow is. I'm just using the charcoal brown powder by MAC. That's my favorite. I use a powder brow over a gel brow. If you like a gel brow, you follow the same instructions. I can do a gel brow video later on if you comment below and let me know if you want to see one of those types of videos. So with filling in the brow, so now starting at where our line was and dragging it through the bottom, then I like to use whatever's left and brush it through the rest of the brow, just because you don't want it too dark at the front. Don't worry if you make it too dark, I'll teach you how to brush it out. I just added a bit of extra product to give the middle of the brow some darkness. This part here, just follow the bottom first and get the shape correct and drag it down. I'll teach you how to clean it up after. And the same with the top. Same with the other side, starting from where you mark that line out, going underneath and blending it up so you don't use too much product and make them too dark. Following underneath that brow arch there. So have a look. It's straight through there. I can tell because I'm quite used to it, but if you need to mark it out, just mark it out from your nose. I always start with the bottom of the brow because I feel like I can work the product up and strengthen the lines after. Okay, so now I've just grabbed this little spoolie brush and I'm just going to brush the brow hairs up and make sure they're all going the same way. A trick that I like to do instead of spending heaps of money on a clear brow gel, I spray the spoolie brush with hairspray and set all my hairs, because I have a few hairs that like to kind of point down after a while. So just grab a bit of hairspray. And set those hairs into place. Okay, so how I clean up around the brow, if you wanted a really sharp brow, I like a softer brow. I don't usually do my brows super sharp. I feel like you look, well, my brother said this to me once, you look like you have ticks on your face. I did my brows so clean and cut in real life, it looked like I had 2 Nike ticks. How I'm going to clean up the brow is I've just got this flat concealer brush. It's 195 by MAC. Just take the brush along the bottom of brow. Don't worry if you accidentally go up into the brow. And this is where I like to prime my eye if I'm gonna do my eye makeup, but I'm not doing that on camera today. The same with the top. Is that in the shot?
Yeah, perfect.
You don't have to clean it up after if you wanna like leave your brows more natural. This just like gets rid of any of the excess. I also do like a tiny bit here, and I use my finger to press it out just so I can put a little bit of the product into the front of the brow so it's not like so harsh. I don't know if you can see the tiniest bit of difference between this brow and that brow. There's like a little bit of shadowing here, and then that's gone because I've gone over with the concealer. The same with this brow. This is the hardest one because I have to like cross my arm and cross my head to get it done.
Did he really say that about your eyebrows?
My brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your eyebrows look like you have Nike ticks on your face.
Yeah, I can be their new ambassador. Make me money.
Yeah! And there you have it. So that is my everyday natural brow routine. Super easy and super quick. Hope you learned something today. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this mini tutorial style, make sure to comment below what you want to see next. Bye guys. My voice is so... I can't even laugh.
You
Okay.
won't sound like a man.
Yeah, I sound like a man today.
So when you say eyebrows on fleek,
Eyebrows on fleek.